mills, mills, mills. Noun. Definition: a building equipped with machinery for grinding grain into flour. Example: at mills or bakeries, barley flour can be added to flours from other grains for baking. Noun. Definition: a factory fitted with machinery for a particular manufacturing process. Example: a steel mill. Noun. Definition: an engine. Verb. Definition: grind something in a mill. Example: hard wheats are easily milled into white flour. Verb. Definition: cut or shape metal with a rotating tool. Example: in the machine shop we mill and grind the castings. Verb. Definition: of people or animals move around in a confused mass. Example: tourists were milling about in the lobby.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.